Pacvac corded machines are assembled with the cord restraint attached. To fit a replacement, follow these simple steps. Hold the cord restraint by the end without slits and place over the middle section of the harness. As you do this, the smooth side should be facing you. Push the end through the slit in the middle. Making a loop behind with the restraint. Pass the short lead through the loop you just made to secure it to the machine. Holding both parts together, push the middle slit up over the grooves to tighten the short lead to the machine. Plug the short lead to the extension lead. Make a loop with the extension lead and feed through the slit at the end of the cord restraint. Push the extension lead over the other end of the rubber to secure it to the machine. Pull down to tighten. Push the plug into the slots on the machine and secure with the hook and loop fastener. Pull down on the lead to ensure it's all secure. To fit the reusable and disposable dust bags to the machine, follow these steps. Unclip the latches and remove the lid. Place the reusable SMS dust bag into position. If using a disposable paper dust bag or an SMS dust bag for optimal filtration levels, simply place over the top of the reusable dust bag. Replace the lid, position to the right or left depending on your preference, and secure into place by locking the clips down. To clean or replace the filter, hold and turn anti-clockwise to unlock and lift to remove. To reinsert, place the filter onto the base and twist clockwise to secure. The machine arrives with the harness attached, but if you want to clean or replace it, simply follow these steps. To detach the straps from the top and bottom of the harness, push the straps through all 4 buckles until it is released. To disconnect the padded section from the harness, the back of the harness has metal connectors on both sides. These simply turn to the sides and slot through the slit in the harness to remove. Repeat process for all 3 on both sides. The harness should now be removed.